guys, you know what time it is. It's your boy Chippin, and today I'm in a certain part of Accra, around the Pokwase, and sorry, I've lost my voice, but I'm still trying to bring you quality content. All right, so bear with me. I have a subscriber who is gonna cook her favorite food. All right, now let's get cooking. Let's talk. Okay, ladies, this is our lovely Afi. Afi, what are we cooking today?
You come to make Ademe.
Ademe.
Yes.
Okay. And if anybody has been on this channel, that person would know that Ademe is one of my favorite. I love okra. So what are we adding now? What is our protein?
This is our beef.
Beef?
Yes.
Okay. And some cow skin. Willy. Allah. Allah. And this soup doesn't take long to cook.
No.
Right. And goes our crabs. Isn't this colorful already?
That's some ginger, garlic, and pepper.
Ginger, garlic, and pepper.
Yeah.
That's water, right?
Yes.
That's what we had in our stock cube. What is this? What these leaves?
Ademe leaves.
Ademe leaves. Those are the jute leaves, ayoyo leaves.
Yeah.
Like the ones they use for the Jozafi.
Yes.
Okay.
You have to wash it.
So you wash it and then what? You just add it to the stew, right?
No, I'll cook it differently.
You cook it. Oh,
And
okay.
blend it and then pour it in.
Oh, okay. So what is this?
Can't wait.
Conway. Okay. And you add it to the water.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
And what is the purpose? It will make
Makes it
the
slimy.
okay much more slimy. Okay.
Yeah.
أصبحنا لا نخاف فقد قتل الكثير لا نبالي الموت فقد رحل الرفاق الشوارع تشهد لنا والمواكب يا رفيق لن ننسى نضال.
Oh, so we put our fish in the.
Yes.
This soup is packed. Allah. Will you? Fansro. Fanifom. Here's our okra. Sorry. I love this. So this one, Ademe, after cooking it, she blended it and it goes in the soup. Oh, y'all know what time it is. It's about to go down. We'll see here. All right, it's done.
We'll leave it to boil. Then
For how long?
Oh,
Or
5
you
minutes.
just keep checking up on it to see if it's good, okay?
Yeah. Then we check out the paste. And that is it.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's ready.
Auntie Afi be that.
مجدا يا رفيق تبكيك الديار.
At this stage, we are done. Now you can pair this with banku, eba, kenke. I mean, whatever floats your boat. But this is it right here. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share so others can see it. Y'all have a good one.